So, last weekend, my friends and I decided to go on a camping trip to unwind from our hectic city lives. We pitched our tents near a serene lake, cooked some marshmallows, and shared ghost stories around a campfire. Everything was going perfectly until bedtime. My cousin Dave, notorious for his thunderous snoring, was already fast asleep. At first, it was a minor annoyance, but soon, his snoring took on a peculiar rhythm. My friend Tom, who's an amateur radio enthusiast, jokingly suggested it sounded like Morse code. Intrigued and a bit sleep-deprived, we huddled around the tent, deciphering the snores with a flashlight and a notepad. As we decoded the message, we couldn't believe our ears. It read, "Help. I'm trapped in a tent with these guys." We laughed so hard that Dave woke up, grumbling about the racket. He was baffled when we told him about his secret nighttime